Making repairs before selling your home. Making repairs before listing your home is an important step in preparing it for sale. Not only will it help your home look better, but it can also increase its value and appeal to potential buyers. Here are some tips on how to make repairs before listing your home. Start with the basics. Before making any major repairs, it's important to start with the basics. This might include fixing leaky faucets, replacing light fixtures, and painting the walls. These small repairs can make a big difference in the overall appearance of your home. Focus on high-impact areas. When making repairs, focus on high-impact areas such as the kitchen and bathrooms. These are the areas that buyers often pay the most attention to, and by making repairs in these areas, you can increase your home's appeal and value. Make necessary repairs. Make any necessary repairs such as fixing a broken window or a leaky roof. These repairs are not only important to make your home look better, but they are also important for the safety and well-being of your potential buyers. Consider updates. Consider making updates to your home such as replacing old appliances or updating the flooring. These updates can increase your home's value and appeal to buyers. Hire professionals. When making repairs, consider hiring professionals. This can help ensure that the repairs are done correctly and that they meet local building codes. Document the repairs. Keep records of the repairs you make, including cost and receipts, so that you can share it with potential buyers and show them that you have taken care of the property. By following these tips, you can make repairs before listing your home and increase its value and appeal to potential buyers. Remember that making repairs can be time-consuming and costly, so be sure to prioritize the most important repairs and focus on high-impact areas. If you're thinking of selling your home and need help with making repairs before listing it, contact TCG Realty today. Our team of experienced professionals can provide you with expert advice and support as you prepare your home for sale. From identifying necessary repairs to coordinating with professionals, we're here to help you every step of the way. Contact us today and let us help you get your home ready for the market.